James could have introduced himself as the leader of the church, or even as the brother of Jesus. Instead,
we've added a
he chose to make the
microphone
point
using the
that he was
Sonics
the
audio
servant of
repeater.
God and Christ.
We have a
This dual
microphone
reference
going
may
to
be
the
James' personal
speakers,
statement of humility.
so you can
a
hear your
theme he
own
touches on
voice in
later
your
in the book.
headphones with just
Here,
a slight
he exemplified
delay.
that humility by making it clear that he was the servant of his brother Jesus.
We've also added
Following the greeting,
the laptop's
the first major
webcam,
division centers on what we
so
call
that you can see the
wisdom and
presenter.
joy. James wrote his letter to Christians who'd been
So in
driven
addition
out of
to
Jerusalem
video
and were
tutorials
scattered around
that
the
you would like to
Mediterranean world.
present,
They were facing
there are
different
many
kinds of
options
trials
as
that
far
no doubt
as
discouraged them.
other Bible
And
study
for this
materials
reason,
and tools.
James' first words about the importance
Here's
of
the
wisdom
olive tree
began
as an
with a
example.
call to joy.
So the text
Listen
is,
again to James
the
chapter 1,
stream
verse
is good
2,
enough that
where
the
James
other
told his
person can read
audience,
it, as you can see
"Consider
there.
it pure joy, my brothers and
And then
sisters,
the speaker
whenever you
or the
face trials
presenter
of many
can
kinds."
give their discourse and
This passage may seem odd to us,
lecture.
especially because it addresses people who were facing trials of many kinds.
See the video
James'
notes
appeal
for
to
a
consider
little more
trials of pure
information
joy
on these
is not as
additional
unusual as we might think.
applications.
The phrase pure joy
Thank you for
comes from
watching.
the Greek expression pas